Trying to open a folder and getting this error, you don't have permission to access this folder. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix this issue step by step and get access back in less than 2 minutes. Here's how to fix the folder Access Denied Error. Step 1. Right-click the folder and choose Properties. Step 2. Go to the Security tab and click Advanced. Step 3. At the top, click Change next to the owner field. In the box, type your username or just type Administrators. Click Check Names, then click OK. Step 4. Check the box that says Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects, then click Apply. A Windows prompt will appear, click Yes, then click OK. Step 5. You'll be back in the Advanced window. Now click Add. Step 6. Click Select a Principal, type your username or administrators again, and click OK. Step 7. Under Basic Permissions, check the box for full control. Then click OK to close the Permissions window. Click Apply to save all changes, and then click OK again to exit the properties. Make sure you close all open windows before continuing. Now, try opening the folder again. At first, Windows might show another Permission Denied message. Just click Continue, and the folder will open successfully. That's it. You've taken back control of the folder. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes every week.